Before you start, you'll need a pair of pliers and scissors. The FreeFix Lightning is for the USB to Lightning power cord that's used to charge your iPhone and your iPad. The FreeFix Lightning comes in a box like this. Open it up and there's two FreeFixes in there and a application package. Inside the application package you have everything that you need. You have a packet of lube, 2 pieces of tape, one side for Lightning and one side for the USB, 2 craft sticks, and the instructions. Okay, let's start with the USB side. We'll stick the craft stick through the bottom of the FreeFix up through the stress relief area until it sticks through the top. Make sure it sticks through the top about a quarter to a half an inch. You'll need to grip that with the pliers later on. Expose the craft stick and you can stick it inside that little area in the USB side so that it stays put. Make sure to use the tape marked USB or the broader tape. Place both the craft stick with the USB side on the tape at the edge and wrap it tightly. Make sure it's wrapped tightly and both of them are stuck to the tape so that they don't come apart while it's going through. Apply the lubricant to the tape in a generous amount. Make sure it covers the whole tape. You grip the bottom of the FreeFix and use the pliers to pull it through the top and it'll go right through. Once you have it through, just take the tape and the craft stick off, and now it's time for modifying it. This is where the scissors come in. You cut in that area right there. Be careful not to cut your cord. Cut off the flaps or wings, whichever you choose to call it, and turn it upside down, and then start to cut around the edges in a slanted position with the scissors, kind of stylizing it a little, making sure to cut off all the excess rubber. And there you have it. Now from here you just shimmy it onto the end until it hits the USB connector, and as you can see it grips it and stays put and provides stress relief for that area of the power cord, preventing it from fraying and breaking. Now for the Lightning side, you basically repeat the same procedure that you did for the USB side and you're good to go. you.